noticed when we were walking in the city?
Human children are toxic to monsters. But thanks to the work detection agency, there must never be a security breach in Monstropolis. Can you imagine what would happen if a human child ever did enter our city? Thank you. So let's get
Atención visitantes. Para su propia seguridad, durante el paseo por Monstropolis, mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y tentáculos dentro del taxi.
Matt. Oh, yeah.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoozy Boo!
Oh, googly bear!
It was horrible. I was minding my own business when this human child froze me with its telepathic control.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, trying to understand.
Come on, this way.
Perimeter is under observation. Eco unit, get to spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
Whatever paperwork, number one. We are at the scene, number one. Eco unit, charge, ready. Spread out and lock it down.
It ain't working. Nothing exciting. What happens?
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got Boo's door set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
I'm her door now.
But Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Boo, there's your door.
Still come? Oh, no. That's Lemon.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child. You all have to get decontaminated. Sorry, lady. We have to do this for your own good. To the scene where we immediately secured the area in question.
What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there. I'm watching you. Always watching. Move it along, people. That's right, nothing to see here. You've all been decontaminated, so you're good to go.